In this section, I introduce the draping method of back bodice. This is the front bodice we draped in last section. Place the front bodice on dress form. After checking fit, we remove pins from side seam to the position approximately 1.3 cm towards center front. Then, fold back excess muslin and place a pin to hold. Sink pins at the shoulder seam completely into the dress form. Now, the dress form is prepared for draping back bodice. Take the back muslin, similar with front. We fold under 2.5 cm at center back. Pin the center back and shoulder blade lever intersection with pins up and down to secure the muslin. Smooth the muslin up, pin back neck point. Smooth the muslin down, pin the back waist point. After drape center back, we will drape the shoulder blade lever. As a crosswise grain line, shoulder blade lever should be parallel to the ground. The judgment is the T-line should be perpendicular to the ground. The lower part of the muslin hang like a boxy shape. After that, we add 0.6 cm ease on the shoulder blade lever. Back width point of muslin match back width point on form. Distribute ease evenly. From back width point, smooth towards center back 3 cm pin, no ease. Smooth from center back to armhole direction 2 to 3 cm pin, no ease. Distribute 0.6 cm ease evenly in the middle area between two pins. Next step, just like front bodice, smooth the T-line down the waistline. Pin at the waist. Pin T-line, slash. Next, we will drape the back armhole. Crease the 5 cm grain line below the back width point. The muslin will turn naturally. Leave a tiny ease at the creased line. Find the under armhole point, pin. Between T-line and side seam, add 0.3 cm ease at waistline. Pin the ease. Smooth muslin, pin the side waist point. We can see the area between the underarm point and waist is smooth and flat. Now, we drape the center back, shoulder blade lever, T-line, armhole, and side seam. Turn the dress form to center back. We can see some extra muslin between T-line and center back. Like front bodice, the extra muslin will be back waist dot. Determine the location of back waist dot. Normally, the back waist dot locates right on the back princess line. We smooth muslin along waistline to the princess line. Cross mark at waistline and the princess line intersection. On waistline, between T-line and side seam, add 0.3 cm ease. Pin the ease. Smooth the muslin gently. Smooth along waistline to the princess line. Crease and cross mark at waistline and the princess line intersection. The distance between two cross marks is the dot width. Pin the dot. After determining the dot width, we will determine the height of dot vanishing point. Now, I will demonstrate how to decide the dot vanishing point. Firstly, we fold and smooth the dot from the waistline up towards the shoulder blade level. Then, we smooth from the shoulder blade level down towards waistline. Remember, we added 0.6 cm ease on shoulder blade level. We want to keep this ease. Now you can see the dot vanishing point is existing. With a pin, indicate the vanishing point of the dot. Notice please, the dot mustn't extend beyond the original level of the under armhole point. After we drape the waist dot, the lower part of back bodice has completed. Next, we'll drape the upper part above the shoulder blade level. Smooth muslin up, pin neckline. Slash to release tension. Continue smooth muslin. Finally, pin side neck point. After draping the neckline, we will drape the shoulder line. We come back to the T-line. From T-line and the shoulder blade level intersection, smooth the extension line of T-line up over the shoulder line. After smoothing the muslin, pin over shoulder point. Now, we can see some extra muslin on back shoulder. This extra muslin will form back shoulder dot. This extra muslin will be treated in 3 parts. First part, between side neck point and the princess line. Leave 0.15 cm ease right on shoulder seam. Similarly, between shoulder point and the princess line, leave 0.15 cm ease right on shoulder seam. Pick up the ease with pin. The remainder of the excess muslin forms shoulder dot. A-line back shoulder dot and front shoulder dot. Notice, back shoulder dot width mustn't exceed 1.3 cm. We drape the neckline, shoulder line, and shoulder dot. Now, the back bodice has been completed.